You got me standing there looking like a bit of a muppet. Why are you laughing for, bro? Boom! It's Big Shaq. What's going on, UNILAD? You lot alright, yeah? I don't know why you call yourself UNILAD. Man's not at uni. But yeah, man's gonna do the little t-shirt thing cause they wanna see if I get hot, but man don't get hot, you know what I'm saying? Rolling Stone. Send the next thing. John Claude Van Damme vest. Little muscle beach thing. Alright, back up. David Hasselhoff thing. Baywatch. Why did man them wear the V-necks? What are you trying to show? Your pectorals. Put them away. They're not breast. Feel kind of hench.
Do you feel hot?
No, I'm not hot. Come wearing some One Direction shirt. Man like Zayn. What's my man's name? Niall. Home Alone thing. I was left home alone all my life. You right, babes, yeah? She's checking me out. And this is getting a bit long, bro. UNILAD, have you got the bursement? Make sure you got my bursement money, because this is not free.
Do you feel hot yet?
No. This is a turquoise. Like Charlie's Lost Eyes. It's kind of stylish. V-neck thing, dead. You heard that story? How much wood would the woodchuck chuck with the woodchuck chuck with the pet? Man didn't think I went to school. Nursery rhymes. So girls see me, they're still gonna like me. Yo, babes. What you saying? You like that? You like that?
It's not a jumper?
Fam, I don't wear stuff like this. This is some apprentice clothes. Yeah, big up Alan Sugar and that. Man like Zuckerberg and them man there, but I don't wear stuff like this. Dead. Do I look like a flipping elf? Can you think you can see me in something like this? Huh? Is that what UNILAD come to do? Make me look like Santa's little helper? Huh?
No, you're gonna get hot, innit?
Man's not gonna get hot from like that. You never spoke, why are you speaking now? Like that. Close your mouth. Star Wars. Hold tight, John Boyega. The force is with you. Some Britney Spears thing. Not gonna wear it. You know, like that Little Mrs. Doubtfire thing. Yo, morning coat vibes. You know that song that Busta Rhymes and Puff Daddy sang? Pass the cup. How do you say that drink? Pass the cup. What's it called? Pass the cup.
You sure you don't feel hot yet, Chad?
Loud up, fam. Man's not hot. Man never gets hot. UNILAD. Obviously, you lot see. Man's not hot. They tried to get me hot, but did it work? No. Anyway, babes, come back and get your scarf. Link me at the bus stop. Drive past, give it to you, and I'm gone.